What if I told you that in just 30 days your energy could double, your skin could glow, your belly could shrink, and your brain fog could vanish? And no, it's not a new supplement or some crazy diet. It's just one decision: stop eating sugar for 30 days. Now, before you scroll away, listen to this. We're not just talking about cutting chocolate or soda. Sugar is hidden in almost everything. Salad dressings, sauces, bread, cereal, even so-called healthy snacks, it's everywhere. And when you cut it out, your body goes through a transformation that most people have never experienced in their adult lives. In this video, I'll walk you through what happens week by week when you quit sugar for 30 days. You'll also learn how to get started, avoid the crash, and stay on track with a full 30-day sugar detox plan I share with you in the middle of this video. Ready? Let's go. Let's talk about the first 3 days. They're rough. Headaches, cravings, mood swings, low energy. This is completely normal. Your body is going into withdrawal. See, sugar isn't just a treat. It lights up the same reward centers in your brain as cocaine. It gives you a temporary high, followed by a crash. And when you remove it, your brain fights back. You'll find yourself thinking about sweet foods constantly. You might feel hungrier than usual. Even if you eat a full meal, your brain will scream for that sugary fix. This is your dopamine system readjusting. You've probably been feeding it sugar rewards for years without realizing it. But here's the thing. If you make it through the first 5 days, you'll notice a shift. Your cravings begin to lose intensity. Your mood stabilizes. And something surprising happens. Your taste buds begin to reset. Suddenly, an apple tastes sweeter. Real food has flavor again. Your senses start to wake up. Now we enter week 2. This is where your body starts to heal. The inflammation begins to go down. You may feel less bloated. Your digestion improves. That constant heaviness in your gut starts to fade. And your energy, it becomes smoother. No more afternoon crashes. No more riding the sugar roller coaster. That's because your blood sugar levels are stabilizing. Without sugar constantly spiking and crashing your system, your insulin response calms down. Your body stops being in a constant state of emergency. You might also notice you're sleeping better. Sugar, especially when eaten late, interferes with your sleep cycle. It raises cortisol levels and confuses your natural rhythm. So, without sugar, your body can finally rest. You fall asleep faster and wake up more refreshed. By week 3, something powerful happens. Your body starts to tap into stored fat. That's right. Once the sugar is out of the way, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for energy. This is especially noticeable around your midsection. That stubborn belly fat, which is often linked to high sugar intake, starts to shrink. What you're losing now isn't just fat. It's visceral fat. The kind that surrounds your organs and increases your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. This internal cleanup is one of the greatest benefits of quitting sugar. Your liver also begins to regenerate. Sugar, especially in the form of high fructose corn syrup, puts a heavy burden on your liver. Removing it gives your liver space to detox and repair. You feel lighter, mentally clearer, and physically stronger. At this point, many people start to ask, what do I eat instead? How do I make it 30 days without relapsing? That's why I created a complete 30-day sugar detox ebook linked below in the description. It includes meal ideas, grocery lists, snack options, and proven tips to help you stay sugar-free without feeling deprived. This isn't about starving or eating bland food. It's about training your body to run on real fuel, not artificial highs. And with this guide, you'll have structure, accountability, and results. So, if you're serious about making this transformation, grab your free copy now and follow along. It could change your life. Back to your body. Week 4 is where the magic happens. By now, your gut microbiome is changing. Sugar feeds harmful bacteria and yeast like Candida. Without it, your good bacteria finally have a chance to grow and rebalance your system. This improves everything: immunity, digestion, even your mood. Your skin starts to glow. That dull, puffy look begins to fade. Pimples, acne, and rashes reduce significantly. That's because sugar triggers inflammation, which shows up on your skin first. Remove it, and you'll see the results, sometimes within days. But the most unexpected benefit: emotional stability. Sugar highs and crashes can mimic anxiety, mood swings, even depression. Many people report that after 30 days sugar-free, they feel calmer, more focused, less reactive. It's like regaining control of your mind. Now, let's look at what science says. In clinical studies, people who removed added sugar for 30 days experienced lower blood pressure, reduced triglycerides, improved liver enzymes, and better cholesterol levels. Their risk markers for heart disease dropped significantly, and they didn't change anything else, just sugar. In one study, children with fatty liver and high cholesterol followed a low-sugar diet for just 10 days. No exercise change, no medication, just less sugar. And their liver fat dropped by over 20%. That's how fast the body can heal when you give it a break. The same is true for adults. Within 1 month, you can reverse insulin resistance, improve brain function, reduce joint pain, and boost energy naturally, all by saying no to sugar. But the truth is, sugar is everywhere. The food industry puts it in nearly 80% of packaged products because they know it keeps you hooked. That's why quitting sugar isn't just about willpower. It's about awareness. Start reading labels. Learn the hidden names for sugar, things like maltose, dextrose, cane juice, syrup, fructose. If it ends in ose, chances are it's sugar. The more you know, the easier it becomes to make smart choices. You don't need to be perfect, you don't need to quit forever. But 30 days can give your body the reset it needs to feel amazing again. So, what's waiting for you at the end of this journey? More energy, more mental clarity, less belly fat, fewer mood swings, better sleep, and most importantly, a feeling of control. When you realize you don't need sugar to feel good, you start taking your power back. You become more intentional about your food, your habits, and your health. You break the chains of addiction that most people don't even know they re-trapped in. You stop eating because of boredom, stress, or emotion. You start eating to nourish, and yes, you can enjoy food. You can still have sweetness, just in a smarter, cleaner way. So here's your challenge: commit to 30 days. Not 90. Not forever, just 30. Use the free ebook in the description as your guide. Take it one meal at a time, one day at a time. Track your progress. Celebrate the little wins. And if you feel stuck, go back and re-watch this video. Remind yourself of why you started. Look at how far you've come. You owe it to your body. You owe it to your future self. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. We talk about health in a way that makes sense, no fear, no hype, just real tools for real people. You don't need to be perfect to be powerful. You just need to start. Your body will thank you. Your mind will thank you. And 30 days from now, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner.